What's going on, Bullish family? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a break from the technical analysis, and we're going to go ahead and dive into some emotional analysis, right? The top 10 trading commandments. Let's go ahead and take our mindset to the next level. Let's go. Here we are, family. This is our setting for today. I'm going to have some kind of virtual whiteboard or the words go ahead and pull up to the left side of me so everybody can get some really nice notes on these 10 trading commandments, right? These are affirmations. These are things that you can think about and tell yourself every single morning and every time that you participate inside of the markets, right? So number one, right? Number one is going to be, I am a successful, disciplined, profitable Forex trader, right? I am a successful, disciplined, profitable Forex trader. Now, you all have to understand that everything is energy, right? The words I am are some of the most powerful words that you could tell yourself on a daily basis. I actually got it tattooed on my thumb right here, right? Whatever you say I am, whatever comes after that, you're going to start to create that reality, right? So reprogramming our minds to go ahead and think of abundance and to think of growth instead of thinking of lack, thinking of negativity, think of lack of money. We think of abundance of money coming to us. So number one, I start my morning out with this every single day. I am a successful, profitable, disciplined Forex trader, right? That's number one. All right, so on to number two. I don't chase the markets. I wait for the markets to come to me, right? I don't chase the markets. I wait for the markets to come to me. Right now, there's a very successful individual, right? His name is Warren Buffett, and he quoted that Forex is the transfer of wealth from the impatient to the patient, right? The transfer of wealth from the impatient to the patient. So you all have to understand that, yes, it's a 24-hour market. Yes, there's trades going on and there's setups on this currency and this commodity and this asset and this metal and this crypto. But you have to wait for it to come to you. You have to have your setup, your defined understanding, and go ahead and play by those rules. Ways, all right? So number three, I plan my trades and I trade my plan, right? I plan my trades and I trade my plan. So you guys have to understand that most people don't have a plan, right? 97% of people don't have goals. They don't write down the steps to get to where they want to go. So how do you all expect to take your $100 account to $200 if you don't write down how you feel before you get into the trade? If you're not writing down those emotions while the trade's going on, if you don't write down how it felt after getting out of the trade. So you have to have the steps, you have to have the goals, you have to have the understanding when it comes to trading your plan and planning your trade. All right. Number four, I count pips, not profits, right? I count pips, not profits. You got to detach yourself from the profits, detach yourself from the money, become patient for the money to come, start counting pips, start counting percentages, and you guys are going to see that financial increase in your account. Now, if you haven't already gone ahead and smashed that like button, go ahead and do that for me now. There might be a mid-roll ad rolling through here soon, so that'll give you 5 to 10 seconds to go ahead and smash that like button. It helps out the algorithm. I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. On to number five. Number five, I trade with logic, not my emotions. Now, it may seem like I'm repeating myself a lot here, but make sure you're taking good notes because each one has a little different key phrase to it, right? Number five, I trade with my logic, not my emotions. You have to understand that people are they make decisions emotionally based spenders, emotionally based decisions. A lot of time we bypass the logical reasoning that we have, right? It's like having, God and the devil, right? Sometimes we pass up on the logic and go straight to what now, instant gratification, right? Number six, I turn off my MetaTrader 4 and I don't babysit my trades, right? I turn off my MetaTrader 4 and I don't babysit my trades. Some of the most successful investors set it and forget it, right? They enter a buy, they enter a sell, whatever it may be, and they just let it do its thing. They understand the power of compound interest. Right? Number seven is I use a proper 3% risk and a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, right? I use a proper 3% risk and a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, right? So now this helps you understand to not babysit your trades. If you get into a trade, you should know exactly how much you're risking and how much you're looking to gain. Exactly how much you're risking and exactly how much you're looking to gain. So once you enter that trade, you shouldn't be worried about where it's going. Yes, I understand. And if you're trading London, if you're trading New York in those times, you could be watching it along on your phone and watching the charts, but you guys don't have to babysit as much as you do. And I'm a big, this was big for me my first 2 years. right? I love babysitting the charts, but understand that you could lose more than you win and still be profitable in these markets, guys. You know what I mean? Like professional baseball players get paid millions to fail 7 out of 10 times. So having proper risk and a 3-to-1 risk to reward is really going to help you guys out. So number 8, let's go on to number 8, right? 3 more. I win every trade. I win every trade. Pips or experience, right? I win every trade, pips or experience. Stop looking at an L as a loss. An L is not a loss. It's a learning lesson. It's experience for you to go ahead into that next tribulation, right? So I simply tell myself that I'm either winning in pips or I'm winning in experience. I don't think losses. I don't think L's. I think experience. Perfect. So number 9, I always continue to grow my mindset and education in the markets. I always continue to grow my mindset and education inside of the markets. 1% better every single day goes such a long way. And I know it's cliche, and I didn't even know that was going to rhyme like that, right? But that's how it is. 1% better, right? The average American, 40K a year, reads less than 1 book a year. 75% of Americans don't have an extra $1,000 in their bank account. The average multimillionaire reads at a minimum 3 books per month. 3 books per month. So you have to understand, are you doing something to get 1% better every day? Right? Number 10, I will always do my best. If I make a mistake, I own it, I accept it, I learn from it, and I go ahead and keep on giving myself that self-accountability, right? Nobody is going to watch you through this journey. It is you and the buttons that you are pressing, right? I can give you all the technical analysis that I want, but I'm not going to sit here and press the buttons for you guys. So you have to be self-accountable to all these 10 commandments that we just went over, or else you could be a shark on the technical analysis, but if you don't have this emotional understanding and having that self-accountability and understanding that you can make mistakes and taking ownership of that, it's not because of the markets. I'm not blaming the markets for my loss. I'm not blaming the institutions for my loss. I'm not blaming JP Morgan Chase for my loss, right? It's on me. It's on me. We all have the same information. It's my emotions that are keeping me from getting to that next level in the markets, right? So at the end of the day, emotional intelligence, I'm going to go ahead and flash it up on this screen. Emotional intelligence is one of the biggest things that we could use when it comes to these markets. I know everybody loves what I teach on this channel. I know we love smart money. I know we love institutional, but you guys got to start diving deeper, right? Read Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone, right? Don't worry about all the other stock books. That's all bogus information, right? Think about the trading psychology stuff and go ahead and dive into that. So I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. If you haven't smashed that like button, now would be an amazing time to go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe, even hit the bell if you like these videos. Confirmation checklist video number 5 is going to be coming very shortly to you all. Institutional candles. It's going to bring everything together. I'm super excited. I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. Let's continue to live bullish. And I hope everybody has a great weekend. And let's go ahead and roll this energy into next week and into the rest of this quarter 4 of 2020, guys. So much love. Stay blessed. Let's get it.